Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Adini Kistina from Johor Matriculation College, the representative of Space Shooter member for the project of exploration to Mars. Rocketry were first tested more than 2,000 years ago. Today, rockets routinely loft spacecraft off Earth, sending satellites to low Earth orbit or cargo to the International Space Station. With the commercial space industry booming, astronauts now regularly travel to and from the orbiting lab, carrying scientific experiments with them. However, we have not heard any rocket with human on board travel to Mars. As of 2022, only robotic landers and rovers have been on Mars. The farthest humans have been beyond Earth is the Moon. Inspired by the rapid development of the rocketry, Space Shooters was created to be the first crewed rocket to land on Mars. It will be a cube with both cargo variant and crewed variant. Furthermore, Space Shooters was built with the latest technology and spatial features so that it will be capable of carrying humans on long-duration missions in deep space. Every part of the rocket can be detached instantly from each other, which can be activated in milliseconds to pull the spacecraft away from the rocket if problem arises during launch or ascent. Space Shooters will be launched in August 2025 and expected to reach Mars by January 2026. Our main mission is to safely deliver cargo needed for Mars exploration and for planetary missions headed to the outer solar system. Our second mission is to lay the foundation for a sustained long-term presence on and around the Mars to give astronauts a place to live and work. Includes a modern lunar cabin, a rover, and a mobile home. To observe the sky of Mars, to learn Mars geology and habitability potential, to service satellites of Mars by sending and attaching new parts.
So this is our rocket-specific instrument. We have all 6 rocket-specific instruments, which is 3 engine, solid rocket booster, capsules, external tanks, sensors, and power source. The first one is a 3 engine. We have RS-25 engine. That RS-25 engine is chosen as Space Shooter's main engine. This is because the engine is powered by liquid oxygen and hydrogen and employing high-performance fuel and oxidizer turbopumps. It has the power and efficiency to carry larger payloads without increasing launch vehicle size. Second, we have 2 units of RL-10 engine. An RL-10 engine is used to support the main engine to escape from Earth's gravity. And second one, we have a solid rocket booster. Solid rocket boosters are the 2 solid fuel rockets attached to the side of the external tank. Operate in parallel with the main engine, and these components provide 80% of launch thrust. After 2 minutes, the boosters will separate from the external tank, descend on parachutes, and land in the Atlantic Oceans. They will be recovered by ships, returned to land, and refurbished for use. And third one is capsule. Capsule is the brain and heart of the rocket that contains the pressurized crew compartment, which can normally carry up to 5 crew members, and the huge cargo bay to put research supplies and satellites.
Next, we have external tanks. External tanks contain propellants used by the rocket engines and provides structural support for attachment with the solid rocket boosters. External tanks are covered with a 1-inch thick layer of spray-on foam to protect it from the extreme heat of launch, and there is no paint on the wall to save weight. There is 2 main components of the external tank. First one is liquid oxygen tank, and second one is liquid hydrogen tank. Next, we have sensors. The sensors are one of the most important components of the Space Shooters. The sensors will function as wind, humidity, pressure, temperature, atmospheric electricity detector. These sensors will collect as much data as they can to be sent to Earth to help the study of Mars. Last but not least, we have power source. The power source used in Space Shooters are photovoltaic solar panel and radioisotope thermoelectric generators. there's two types of power source are prepared to make sure there is sufficient power to be used by the crews on Mars to conduct the missions. Photovoltaic solar panel can derive electricity from sunlight. Meanwhile, radioisotope thermoelectric generators uses an array of thermocouples to convert the heat released by the decay of a suitable radioactive material into electricity.
Space shooters also have special features. These are the special features of space shooters rocket. The first one, we have robotic arms. Second, we have missile launcher. And third one, we have reliable and updated navigation system. Robotic arms. It's controlled by the crew inside the capsule to conduct in situ analysis on the outer space so that the journey to the Mars will be maximized by collecting as many scientific findings as possible. Second one, missile launcher. Space shooters is equipped by high power laser to destroy asteroids or any obstacles blocking the way. The high power laser beam will cut the obstacles in very tiny pieces and missile will be launched in the case of emergency.
Last but not least, reliable and updated navigation system. The navigation system of space shooters is set not only on the solid rocket booster and external tank, but also in most part of the rocket. After separation, these parts will be set to land in the Atlantic Ocean so that it will not harm the population on the Earth. We want to make sure the incident involving debris of the China rocket landed in Sarawak recently will not happen again.
The conclusion is, according to NASA, there are a number of obstacles that still need to overcome before sending a human mission to the planet, including technological innovation and a better understanding of the human body, mind, and how we might adapt to life on another planet. However, with the updated engineering design and technology of space shooter, we believe that it is no longer impossible for humans to explore the potentially new habitable planet other than the Earth. Improvements made of navigation system or space shooters will make us no longer worry about the debris of the rocket to hit on the populated area on the Earth as it will land on the designated place. We may not be there yet, but it's never too early to start preparing for the next historical step in the legacy of the human exploration on Mars. So this is all from Space Shooters Rocket, and see you all. Thank you.